Roseanne here from Roseanne's Crafting Corner. I have a bit of a temu haul today. Can't remember what I ordered, but there's not many more. I think there might be 2 more packages. I said it before, I'm going to stop. I'll only order from now on if I desperately need anything from Temu when it comes to my crafting. Other than that, I'm not going to bother anymore. Anyway, I've opened one of them, 2 packages, both about the same size. Now then, what have we got in here? A couple of little packages. Oh yes, some nice cabochons to put in some of the jewellery I'm making. Very nice. Oh yes. So I'll take you down so that you can see what I'm talking about. Right, I've got those. Those are absolutely gorgeous. And all I'll do with them is maybe put some UV resin on the top to dome it. But they do look quite nice. They might not need doming unless I put some UV resin underneath and have them on the top, because they're 3D. They've got the raised pattern, but they're all very pretty. Oopsie-daisy. Now, if I can get to the prices, I'll put the prices on. If I can't, it'll not have to matter, because the last couple of times I've done Temu hauls, I haven't been able to get to the prices. Right, what's these? Oh, right. Some more nice things to make jewellery out of. And what I'll do with these, I will get the wire wraps to put round them and put them on a chain, so they will be really nice. I'm pleased with them. Beautiful. Now what have we got? Oh yes, got some more fish. We're doing a pond scene. This time it will be a better pond scene than the last one, hopefully, because hopefully I'll hide the wire from the lights. Scissors, can't get into this. Nice little tropical fish, these. This guppy. Well, it looks like a guppy, the black one. All the nice colours. Nice dark orange one and an orange and white one. And then 2 white and orange ones. Gorgeous. They'll go nice in a pond scene. Oops. There's the one that got away. There it is. Right. And I've got some more bags. I like to put my jewellery in the organza bags because I think it looks really nice, rather than the plastic. And there's some more. All different colours of organza bags. Got some earring backs, so I can make a load of studs. And there's some tiny cabochons with loads of different colours. See if I can get into it. Show you all the colours. So there's greens and blues and silvers, blacks, reds, oranges, light blue, purple, black, pink, yellow. Oh, they're gorgeous. Lovely for making jewellery. What have we got now? Oh, some more tiny little fish. I won't take them out, I might lose them. But are they sharks? I think they're sharks. Possibly. Although they're different colours, I don't know. Sharks have the two fins on the sides. Some pond scenery. I don't know if I'll be able to use this in a pond scene unless I can push it out and layer it a little bit flatter. It'll have to go flatter because the moulds I've got are only about that deep, so yeah, I'll have to squish it so that it stays down for a long time, and then it won't spring back. So I'll have that down like that on something, and something heavy on the top to help it squash down. If not, I'll take it off the stand and use it that way. Right, I've got a mould. I don't think I've got this one. Quite big compared to the other one I've got that's similar. So it's got the top, with a pattern inside, and then it's got this huge bottom. Well, there's the bottom. And it's got the shaped sides. Quite nice. So I'll certainly be having a go with that. Some more cabochons, the same as the first ones I showed you. Another little pond plant. Again, it'll have to be squashed down. Really nice. But there's other ways I can use it, of course. I can take them out of the stand and use them separately if I choose to. Now then, nice bit of material. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different colours. The black, the brown, 5 different colours. Blue, red, and multi. They're nice. Could make little pouches out of them to send jewellery in as well. It would be nice. Another little. Honestly, on the picture of this octopus, it shows you a woman with a hand, and it's a huge octopus that's about that big. So that is disappointing. Really disappointing. Unbelievable. Got some boxes to present some jewellery in. There is 12 boxes there in the red, and is there any more? No, I've got some more little presentation tubs for earrings or rings. They come in handy. Some more storage for all my stones and things. So they are really handy. What's this? Oh, some more tiny little fish. Very tiny. Now then, what next? Oh yes, here's the other ones. The darker boxes. There's 12 of those. And the blue ones. 12 of those. I've got loads to present my jewellery in. Right, these are like snake skin. There we go. Got 2 pieces. And like I say, it's like snake skin. So they're really good. Didn't have a bend in them, but I don't think that'll iron out. I've got 2 pieces of that. They're not very good at their packing, are they? Temu are hopeless. Scissors. More cabochons, but this time they've got butterflies on them. All different butterflies. Nice blue one there. Lots of lovely butterflies. Ah, good. Got some hooks from a wall. This is for my coat rack out in my hallway because as it stands, it's on an angle like that, and if I put a heavy coat on it, it's just going to collapse. So I've got those. Right, I've got some more UV resin. Woohoo! UV curable resin solution, hard glue. Are they all the same? I think they are. Yeah, so there's 4 of those, so that's 400 grams. A little mould, rainbow with the clouds at the end. Little sale tags, so I can price everything up. Anything else in here? No, that's empty. So I've got some little roses for jewellery, and another they've sent me 2. I don't know why, I only ordered 1. But there you go. Right, my second bag. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Another biggish one. Right. Let's have a look. Some more fish moulds so I can make my own, because I only have the 2 big ones, so they'll come in handy. Got some more pins to make some studs. This time it comes with the butterfly backs and the glue, so that's handy. Nice big container. Now that can store the iron-ons and things. That should hold them very nicely. So far so good. Now what's this huge thing? What's this huge thing? I'll just pop that down there because I think there's some more bits and pieces in here to show. Right, my keychain bits, so I can finish those that I made for the collaboration. What else is in here? That's empty. That can go over there. Right. I ordered 6 of these. 6. And they've sent me 1. Brilliant. I'll have to get on to them about that, because I'm not paying for 6 and only getting 1. I definitely put the 6 in. Now then, this is a mould for a set of drawers. 1, 2 drawers, 3 drawers, there's some wood pieces. Now then, it's got some foam in it to keep it sturdy and stop it from warping when you pour it, which is good. Got bits stuck together there, but the resin will have to go between. That's better. So there's the position of the 3 drawers, and it's going to have a plate inside it. Where do they fit? Now then, I know what this is for. It's for holding this together so that the sides don't warp. So it's got 2 long ones and 2 short ones, which will go around and keep it from warping out of shape. That is good. I look forward to making that set of drawers. Really good. Now, last but not least is this. Now this is for my bathroom, because I've got everything cluttered in my bathroom that I need for my showers and everything. I've got this. Now then, let's see how it goes together. It's not exactly the right colour for my bathroom, but they'd sold out of all the other ones. We can't go out yet, darling, because we're waiting for the cleaner to come. There's 2 pieces out. There's the legs, good. This is out the way. Go over there. Now then, There's another set of legs. Yeah, right. Casters for the bottom. That's good. Now then, so the casters will go on the bottom of one of these. Oops. Now then, I don't want to get the wrong one. They'll be all the same. Looks as if they're all the same. So there's none deeper than the other. Right, so see how I can get these on here. Now, where's them other bits? I've got the instructions here. At least I think that's what they are. Now, these must go in the hole. Try and get it so that you can see it getting put up. Right, ooh. Do they go into there? No. Now then. I'll start by putting some of these poles into there. I think they're all going to be the same size. So, all right, Lily. All right, Lily. Shush. Shush. Get out of the way. Come on, out. That's enough. Come on, in there. Come on. Oh dear. Oh, I better. Oopsie daisy. Sorry about that, ladies and gents. My cleaners arrived. Right, try to get this put together if I can. They have to be pushed right into there. I hope I don't break anything. Oh, hey, now that's a bad one. Straight away. I'll have to get my money back on this. That's no good, it's been squashed. I'll have to see if I can bang it back into shape. Or as close as I can anyway. That's terrible. Now I should have took a photograph of that before I... Oh dear, right. 2 seconds. Right guys, I've just took a photograph of that to send to Temu to get it, to get my money back on that, because that's weakened that quite a bit. I wonder if I've got something that I can put it round to straighten it up. I'll have to use this one near the top so it's not got too much weight on it. So I'll put that one to one side for now. Right, let's see if I can get these ones in. Very flimsy, really flimsy. Only goes halfway, so that's not too bad. All right, darling, I know. Don't need that up while the tabletop's in there, do we? Hey. Get them in as far as they'll go. What have I done with my scissors? What have I done with my scissors? Oh, there they are on top of that one. One more for here. Right. One. No. That way. 1. 2. 3. 4. Come on now. Line up, line up. Oops, it is. That side's in. That one to line up. You staying out the way like a good girl, eh? Are you? Oh, can't see a thing. Come on. I should put my glasses on, I might see things better. Now that. Getting them to line up all together. And that one, come on. Now that should all go in together. Oh dear. Stick it on the floor. Give it some welly. So far, so good. Excuse me. Right. One more. Good girl. She's a good girl, aren't you? Some of the packets away instead of making an absolute mess. There. Anything else? Right. One more in there. I'm not the strongest of people when it comes to doing this. Right. Another shelf. Again, it's getting them lined up. That one's there. It's so dull today. I'll have to get the lights on again. Give it a press. So far, so good. Right. I think one set goes underneath. Let's have a look. No. Nice high shelf, actually. Oh. Wonder if I can paint it. God, that's terrible. Oh. I have to be careful I don't split that one when I'm pressing it down. Right. Oh, missed one. One there. One there. Now that one's lined up, that's all right. That one's lined up. That wasn't even on the right side. Let's have a look. Come on. Come on. In you go. Oh no. Oh, get back here. Excuse me moving you around. Now then. Oh, that one's even, oh dear me. Right, Switch you off a second so I can take another photograph. I'll get it a bit closer so I can see what I'm doing. That one is definitely lined up. So is that one. Right, turn it over. Try not to lose them bits. Now that one looks lined up. And so does that one. I just have to put some weight on the top of it. Come on. Oh, don't. Oh, come on, come on. Now that side's definitely in. Just this side. What I might have to do is get some stronger tubing, because this is ridiculous. Come on. You're there. You're there. Get in there. Oh. No. It's the best I can do for now. I just need to find out what these other bits are for. Now then. Oh, right. So that you can hang bits. That's handy. Really handy. Oh, brilliant. Now then, I've got four little bits. I suppose that's if you don't want the casters on. You can put them on instead. And I've got a spare one of those. So that's good. Now then, I'm going to put the casters on, if I can. Turn it upside down. Now then, how would you put the casters on? They go in there, don't they? Right. Which way do they go? So they go that way. Nearly done. Last one in there, and then I can put the casters on, hopefully. There's one on. Two. Yay! Easier than I thought. 3 and 4. Right, guys, that's it. That's the show. I might have to do a few more pushes on it to get it into place, but other than that, it's pretty much there. Yeah, Still has a way to go, but that'll be really handy in my bathroom. Right guys, that is the end of my temu haul. So I'll see you again soon. I've got to finish my collaboration, my Valentine's collaboration. So I'll be finishing that next.